Hi everyone, this is Nick here from Digital Wood Studios, and today I just want to talk to you about the quality and performance of our 3D printed discs for the BowFlex SelectTech dumbbells. So there's a lot of information out there about 3D printed parts, and some of it can be a little concerning if you're not familiar with the process, so I really just want to address some of those concerns and show you why our carbon fiber reinforced PA6 discs are both reliable and a cost-effective choice for your dumbbells. So first I just want to start off with the fact that not all 3D printed discs are created equal. There's a lot of sellers out there, and the quality can really vary widely depending on the materials used, the printer settings, and the design considerations taken when designing the part. So some discs on the market might be under-engineered, leading to issues like cracking under load or simply just not lasting as long as they should. So at Digital Wood Studios, we've taken a different approach. We use carbon fiber reinforced PA6, which is a high performance material known for its strength and durability. Our production process is carefully controlled, ensuring that we have consistent quality across every disc that we produce. In addition to that, you might have seen videos or even read opinions online that question the strength of 3D printed discs compared to other materials, like aluminum, and it's true that some poorly made 3D printed discs might not hold up as well, especially if they're made with lower grade materials or printed even with improper settings. However, as I mentioned, the PA6 that's carbon fiber reinforced is an engineered polymer. It's designed to offer excellent tensile strength and durability, making it more than capable of handling the stresses involved in the dumbbell's use. The carbon fiber reinforcement adds additional stiffness and strength, ensuring that the disc can withstand regular use without compromising their structural integrity as well. And one of the key factors that really sets our discs apart is the way that they're printed. And we've engineered our discs so that when they're printed, they're nearly 100% filled. And this means that there's little to no sparse infill, which can weaken the structure of the discs. And by minimizing that infill and maximizing how much material within the discs is solid, we ensure that the strength of the carbon fiber reinforced PA6 is fully utilized for the application of these dumbbells. And in addition to that, our discs are designed to be thicker than the OEM versions here. So what I'm showing here is an OEM from a 552. So these radial ribs that you see, rather than using these radial ribs like the OEM, we've actually just simply thickened the entire part to the same thickness that the radial ribs will come up. So, in these regions where the ribs are not, you're going to have thinner material thicknesses. We are not doing that. We're not thinning our parts. They're completely thick up to that rib thickness as well. So that adds a significant amount of rigidity when compared to the OEMs there. So this approach really just helps distribute the load more evenly across the disc, just further enhancing its durability and making it robust enough for any workout. So when it comes to choosing the right material for this application, the PA6 carbon fiber reinforced offers several advantages, and it's strong enough to handle the stresses involved in dumbbell use, yet it's also very lightweight, which can make the discs easier to handle during your workouts, the dumbbell easier to handle, and the material's durability will really just hold up well over time, even with heavy use. And you might wonder, well, why didn't we use a material like aluminum, or, why not buy an aluminum disc? So while aluminum is undeniably strong, it's also a bit over-engineered for this specific application. So that leads to higher costs without really a significant benefit in performance that's necessary for this application here. So our goal here at Digital Wood Studios is really to offer a product that's not only strong and durable, but also cost-effective for users, because we do know that discs can break in 1 and 2 pieces, and we'd like to be able to provide that to you at an affordable price and, again, a strong and durable product. So speaking of the cost effectiveness, this is where our discs really shine. So by using some advanced 3D printing techniques and just these high quality materials, we're able to offer a product that meets your needs without breaking the bank, and you get the performance that you need at a fraction of the cost of some of the more expensive alternatives. And really, let's not forget also the practical benefits of a lightweight, well-designed disc. They're easier to handle, they're easier to install, and they won't add unnecessary weight or bulk to your dumbbells. So oftentimes when you replace it with more dense materials, your entire dumbbell is now going to be a different weight than the BowFlex OEM originally intended. So your weight that you think you're lifting isn't quite exactly what it truly is, whereas these are far more comparable in weight to the OEM, so you're not altering that overall weight by much. And one thing we pride ourselves here at Digital Wood Studios is just transparency. So we're confident in the quality of our products because of the material properties, the care that we put into the manufacturing process, and the way that our discs are engineered to maximize strength. So we're not just selling you a product, we're providing you with a solution that's been carefully designed and manufactured to meet your needs. So if you've been concerned about the quality of 3D printed discs based on what you've seen online, I encourage you to give our PA6 carbon fiber reinforced discs a try. We believe that they offer the perfect balance of strength, durability, as well as affordability, and we stand by their performance. So just in closing here, not all 3D printed discs are the same, and it's important to choose a product that's been designed and manufactured with care. Our PA6 carbon fiber reinforced discs are built to last, providing you with the strength and reliability that you need at a price that makes sense. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out. And if you're ready to upgrade your dumbbells with a high quality, reliable disc, check out our store today. Thank you for watching and look forward to helping you get the most out of your workouts. Thank you.